Dear student, today in this lecture we discuss about what is the set of integer, what is the prime number, how calculate the GCD number. The set of integer state that the set of integer denoted by Z, capital Z, contains all integral number with no fraction from negative infinity to positive infinity. Like that, set of integer denoted by capital Z, like that, dash 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 minus 2 1 0 1 2 dash 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 positive. The set of integer perform binary operation. So we can say that in cryptography we can interested in three binary operations applied to the set of integer. A binary operation takes two input and create one output. Suppose a Z capital J integer minus 2 positive integer given to input number A comma B, and three type of binary operation performed like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Then these operation are stored in Z negative integer to positive integer. The operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication of integer denoted explained with the help of this example. The following show the result of three binary operation on two integer. Because each input can either positive or negative, we can have four cases for each operation. According to add 5 plus n equal to 14, minus 5 plus 9 equal to 4, 5 plus minus 9 equal to minus 4, minus 5 plus minus 9 equal to minus 4. Similarly, subtract 5 minus 9 equal to minus 4, minus 5 minus 9 minus 14, 5 minus minus 9 14, minus 5 minus minus 9 equal to plus. Multiplication 5 into 9 45, minus 5 into 9 minus 45, 5 into minus 9 45 minus 45, and 5 into minus 9 equal to 40. These four type operation, binary operation performed in addition, four operation performed in subtraction, four operation performed in multiplication. Integer division in integer arithmetic, we can divide A by N, we can get Q and R. The relationship between these four integers can be so that if we divided A by N, then A equal to Q into N plus R. A divided by N, quotient Q, remainder R, then we can show the relation between four integers like that, A equal to Q into N plus R. For example, assume that A equal to 25, 255 and N equal to 11. We can find Q equal to 23, remainder R equal to 2 using the divisor algorithm. 11 divided 2, 5, 5, 22, 3, 5, 33, remainder 2, quotient 23, and number A equal to 255 and divisor number 11. Division algorithm for integer Z equal to minus 2 say negative integer to positive integer, A number divided by N positive number, A equal to Q into N plus R relation के according R find non-negative number and quotient any integer number. When we use the computer or calculator, R and Q are negative when A is negative. How can we apply the restriction that R need to be positive? The solution is simple. We decrement the value of Q by 1 and we add the value of N to R to make it positive. So minus 255 equal to minus 23 into 11 plus minus 2 minus 20 minus 255 equal to minus 24 into 11 plus 9. So divisibility, if A is not 0 and we let R equal to 0, the division relation we get A equal to Q into N. If the remainder is 0, then A oblique N. If remainder is not 0, then A is not divisible by N. So remainder 0, any A divisible by N, we can write relation between is A equal to Q into N. Remainder is 0, then A oblique N divisible. If remainder is not 0, then A is not divisible by N. For example, the integer 4 divides the integer 32 because 32 equal to 8 multiplied by 4. We show that this 32 divisible by 4. But 8 does not divide the number 42 because 42 factor 5 into 8 plus 2 and remainder equal to 2. Remainder is 0, then divisible number. Otherwise, number is not divisible. Property 1 according A, if A by 1, then A plus minus 1. Property 2, if A oblique B and B oblique A, then A equal to plus minus B. Property 3, if A oblique B, B oblique C, then A by C. Property 4, if A by B and A by C, then A by M into B plus N into C, where M and N are arbitrary integers. The integer 1 has only one divisor itself. Any positive integer has at least two divisors, 1 and self, but it can have more. 13 oblique 78 divisible. 7 oblique 98 divisible. Minus 6 oblique 24 divisible. 4 oblique 44 divisible, and 11 oblique minus 33 is also divisible. But 13 is not divisible by 27 is not divisible by 13. 50 is not divisible by 7. 23 is not divisible by minus 6. 41 is not divisible by 4. And minus 32 is also not divisible by 11. Since 3 oblique 15, so 15 divisible by 3 and 15 oblique 44 according to third property, 3 by 45. If A divisible, B divisible by A by B, A oblique B, B oblique C, then A oblique C, it means A oblique B, B oblique C, so A oblique C, 3 oblique 45 also divisible. 3 by 15 and 3 by 9 according to the fourth property. 3 oblique 15 into 2 plus 9 by 2, which means 3 upon 66 is also divisible. If property, if A by B and A by C, then A upon M into B plus N into C, where M and N are any arbitrary integer. According to property 4, 3 by 15, 3 by 9. According to fourth property, 3 by 15 into 2 plus 9 into 4, which means 3 by 66. 15 into 2 and 9 into 4. Common divisible two integer like the divisor 140, this divisor 12, this, and 1 2 4 common divisor of 140 and 20. Greatest common divisor GCD. The greatest common divisor of two positive integers. is the largest integer that can divide both integers. An Euclidean algorithm. Fact 1, GCD a comma 0 equal to a. GCD a comma b equal to GCD b comma r, where r is the remainder dividing a by b. So greatest common divisor GCD, a common problem in number of theory. The positive integer c is set to be the greatest common divisor of a and b if c is divisor by a and of b, and any divisor of a and b is the divisor of c. So that example like GCD 60 comma 24 equal to 12. 12 is the greatest common divisor between 60 and 24. If GCD 0 comma 0 equal to 0, often want no common factor except 1. Such number is relative prime number if GCD of two element equivalent of 1. Suppose GCD equal to 8 comma 15. No common factor between these numbers. So GCD equal to 1, only one common factor. So we can write these are relative prime number to each other. Euclidean algorithm. An efficient way to find the GCD a comma b use theorem that GCD a comma b, GCD b a mod b. Euclidean algorithm compute GCD AB is let AB if b equal to 0, then return A as return Euclidean B A mod B. According to Euclidean algorithm, if R1 equal to A, R2 equal to B, and remainder R. So R1 store the value of R2 and R2 store the value of R, we find remainder R. Similarly, perform operation till R2 is equal to 0. So GCD A comma B equal to R1. For this is the process. Now, according to algorithm of Euclidean, R1 store the value of A, R1 store the value of A, R2 store the value of B. While R2 greater than 0, then Q R1 upon R2, R value store R1 minus Q into R2, and R1 store R2, R2 store R. GCD A comma B into R1. This is the algorithm of Euclidean concept. When GCD A comma B equal to 1, we say that A and B are relative prime numbers. Find the greatest common divisor of 5740 and 9760. Solution of this question like that, we have GCD 2740 and 1760 equal to 20. How? The operation of GCD according to Euclidean algorithm, Q store the quotient, R1 store the largest number, R2 store second number, and R store the remainder. So 1760 banja 1760 and remainder 980 and remainder is 980 in first. So R2 store in R1 position and R store in R2 position. Next 980 1760 are divided by 980, then remainder store 780. Now 980 store in R1 place and 780 is stored in R2. 780, 980, 780, 1 just 780. So remainder is 200. Now R1 store 780, R2 store 200. 200 divided to 700 and 2 3 just 6 times. Percentage 3, 600. So remainder is 180. You can write R2 value of in R1 position and R value is R2 position. 180 200 divided by 180, remainder is 20. Now 100 and 20 are equal to 0. So value of R1 equal to 20. Other example, greatest common divisor of 25 and 60. The solution of this example like that, GCD 25, 65 equal to 5. Q is store the quotient value, R is store the 25, and R2 is store the value of 60. So 60 is divided by 25, sorry, 25 is divided by 60, so remainder is modular division 25. Now 60 is stored in R1 place, R is stored in R2 place. So now 60 divided by 25 is divisible by, sorry, 60 divided by 50, 25. So 25 to ja 50. So remainder is equal to 10. 25 is stored in R1 place, R value stored in 10 place, R2 place. Now 10 to the 20, remainder equal to 5, 10, 5, 0. 5 to the 10, remainder is 0. So GCD 25, 65 equal to 0. Prime number only have divisor of 1 and self. That cannot be written as the product of other number. Note 1 is prime but generally not be interested. 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are not prime. Prime number of central to number theory. List of prime number less than 200 like that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Right address 199. Prime factorization to factor a number n is to be right. It is an product of other number n equal to a into b and c. Note that factoring a number is relatively hard compared to the multiplying the factors. Together they generate the number. The prime factorization of a number n which is written as a product of prime 91 equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Similarly 3600 according 24 into 32 into 52. So relative prime number and GCD two number A and B are relative prime number if no common divisor apart from 1. That is relative prime number. Example 8 and 15 are relative prime numbers since factor of 8 and 12 and 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8 and 15 are 1, 3, 15 and 1 is only common factor. Thank you.